everyone, Daniel Hashi here with Hashi Trades, and I just want to wish you a happy Monday and happy final day of November 2020. This means that we only have 1 month left in 2020, so let's make it count. We've already gotten through Thanksgiving, so let's see how Christmas goes. I just want to give you kind of some quick news headlines that I'm focusing on pre-market. Some of this news was released over the weekend, so it wasn't really able to be digested by the market until now. So number one, a Korean hedge fund, a huge hedge fund called KIC, has sold their positions in Baba, Intel, and Apple. So that tells me that they're seeing opportunities elsewhere. Now with hedge funds, of course, they want to show their numbers at the end of the year. So if they're selling a position, that means they see a better opportunity elsewhere and they want to close the year on a green note so they can show on record that they maximize their profits. So that's telling me that basically they're not seeing any more opportunities in these stocks, but they did buy a bunch of GM. General Motors. So that's very telling and very interesting. Their pick for the last part of the year is General Motors. Okay, number two. A man that's very well known for having predicted the Dow going to 20,000 points believes that 2021 is going to be a very bullish year. We're going to have great earnings and they're going to exceed expectations. So that's very interesting as well. I think he did mention because of the vaccine coming out and the economy recovering, these are some catalysts that will help the stock market overall return to its bullish run. Okay, number three, Bitcoin fell a lot. So you can see here on the daily chart that it hit a peak in at the $19,000 level, and it dipped all the way down to the $17,000 level, but has since recovered to be trading at $18,000 level, almost at $19,000. So it's almost fully recovered from its all-time highs. I believe that it can continue its bull run up once it breaks past this double top here. I'm also really interested by the fact that ARK Invest, even though they have a vested interest in having a bullish outlook on Bitcoin, Kathy Wood, the CEO, said that she thinks Bitcoin can go to 500,000. So I think that's very interesting. I will be happy if it got anywhere close to that. I'm not looking for 500,000, but hey, 500,000 is a beautiful number, and I would not complain about that number at all. Okay, number four. Costco. So about 2 weeks ago, Costco announced that they're going to do a special $10 dividend, and the ex-dividend date is December 2nd. So you have an opportunity to get in on this amazing $10 dividend per share, but you will definitely be taxed on it unless you have a Roth IRA. So be careful with that. It's an amazing dividend special. I think Costco did it about 4 or 6 years ago. And yes, so it's a good opportunity, but it will be heavily taxed as well unless you have the Roth IRA. So number five, I'm super bullish on Tesla. You all know, if you've ever watched my channel before, how I feel about Tesla. Me and Tesla, we go back, way back, and I love Tesla. I believe that up until December 24th, when it's officially on record being included in the S&P 500, it's going to be bullish. Not only the fact that it's going to be included in the S&P 500, but Tesla just released news that they are getting an okay to produce a new model at the Shanghai factory. So that's really good because they want to strengthen their presence in China, and they're trying to get that foothold in there, even though China also has NIO. I still think it's an amazing opportunity and super bullish news for Tesla. So Tesla, I'm really optimistic about up until December 24th, and honestly, even after that. I think that it's attracted the attention of a lot of long-term and institutional investors because of this really great news. So that's a tea anyway. Happy trading and have a fabulous week. Can't wait to see you on the other side.